KLX300L. Sorry, do-over. KLX300R. Raw sounds. I've got an open airbox lid on this thing and a FMF Power Core 4 or something. It's not the latest and greatest one. It's kind of the, I don't know. Anyway, but it's got the DB killer insert with the spark arrestor. That made it a little quieter. It's still, you know, kind of too loud for my liking, and some of that's from the airbox. So. But around town, and for doing off-road trails and stuff, this bike's perfect. Got the quad lock for my phone. I don't know where my phone is right now. In my pocket. That works pretty nice, but this one isn't vibration resistant, and I think my phones are not doing too hot from riding on the handlebar. So lately I've just been putting them in my pocket, and I don't usually need to have navigation. Even if I'm going in the forest, I'll look at the map before I leave and maybe take a couple screenshots of the pages on my phone, and I'll know where I am, or bring the whole map book. I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere, man. Across the deserts, bare, man. Breathe the mountain air, man. Of trouble I've had my share, man. I've been everywhere. seat concept chair on this thing too, which is nice. Something I forgot to mention earlier. I tend to do a lot of signaling with my arm. That helpful way of preventing leaving your blinker on for hours. This bike doesn't have any real way to know if your blinker's blinking. But I got these flush mounted blinkers right here from Tusk, and you can see them from here, which is helpful. But there's no indicators or anything. This thing came with just like a 99-mile odometer on it that was mechanically driven off the front wheel, and there was a button for like high-low beam. And now I got more stuff that I need on here, or more stuff that doesn't work. My blinker now because I'm gonna be stopped here waiting with my clutch in for the light to change and for the traffic to pass so I can safely turn left, and people are going to be coming up from behind me. I need to let them know what I'm doing. What the well, you can really putt this thing, or you can rip it. It's a real forgiving bike. It's not, the power's there, but it's not real scary. But it builds rev a lot faster than the CRF 300L motor does, and it's good. This one's a 292 versus a 286. It's Stone Age technology. That basically the new KLX300's got the same engine. It's just got fuel injection and electric start. But when you look at the things side by side, I wasn't close enough to the balance point to get that shift off. It's probably the third, fourth time I've done that today. But anyway, hope you enjoyed. This is a lot of fun. Get one. Talk to you later.